Hello guys, and welcome back to MSX Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys all the new and active codes for the rivals, and let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you guys want to do is make your way over to the top right here, go over to more until you guys can go ahead and find the code section. From the code section, once you guys follow the developers, you will be able to redeem the codes, and there are going to be, I believe, 3 current codes that will be new. So the first one that you guys can use is the free 129. This should be the first one. Once you guys go ahead and enter that code in, go ahead and enter this code in, free 128. The third code you guys want to go ahead and add is community 18. Now these 2 codes right here, it is possible that they are expired, but you guys can go ahead and check as well, free 125. The 5th and last code will be free 124. These should be the most newest and latest codes for the rivals. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.